Page 17, Superstar. Again, we get another performance piece in a blues style. We're using the blues 5-finger scale we just used. Other than that, I don't have a lot to say about it. You have a lot of repeat signs all over, and the dynamics, you know, the F-P, you know how those work, I hope. There is a note at the bottom of the piece. Repeat several times, then fade out. So the last line, we're not just going to repeat it once, you repeat it indefinitely, and each time you're going to get softer and softer and softer and go away. When we do the play with me, I'm only going to repeat it once, and we're going to stop right there. But when you play it, you just kind of die away. In other words, there's no ending to it. You just die away and stop. Now, something I want to point out here is when you go into a jazz or blues style, and you're swinging the eighth notes, long and short, long and short. Then when you get to a dotted rhythm, how do you do it? Well, it's part of the long and short. If you look at measure 6, it's the second measure of the second line in the left hand, you have this 1 and 2. So if I were playing it evenly, it'd be 1 and 2 and 3. But when I'm doing this 1 and 2 and 3, I'm doing this 1 and 2 and 3. Because I'm counting 1 and 2, and I'm not counting 1 and 2 and. So dotted rhythms fall into that long, short, 1 and 2, like that, and that's how we do those. So, and that's really about all I have to say on this piece. It's fairly straightforward if you can do the blues scale, which we've been working on. So, put your hands here in position for that. Now, keep in mind the thumb and the left hand's on C. So they're not both in a C blues scale position here. So when you're here, I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, and ready and go. And rest. 1, 2, 3, repeat. Rest. 3, 4. 2. 2. Rest. 2. Rest. Repeat softly. And this is where you die away. And we're done. In the acoustic jamming thing at the bottom, I'd like to play that. So you can play this Superstar thing you just did. And I'm going to play this. I'm going to play it way down here. And again, my rhythm might be different than yours, so be careful. Know what you're doing, but you got to follow and stay with me. I'm going to speed the metronome up too, because we want to play this. See, when I do the play with me section, I'm not trying to perform it. I'm just trying to check notes and rhythms. But this thing is more like closer to performing it. So if I put the metronome on 80 here, your part is like this. So like starting at measure 5, it's this. To be able to play this acoustic jamming thing for me. So assuming you can do that, let's try this out. I'll give us 4 counts, so put your hands where they go, and here we go. 1, 2, Ready and go. And 1 and 2 and 3. 2. Rest. Repeat softly. Three and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and rest, rest. 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Repeat softly and die away. Rest, etc., etc., etc.